Hey everyone, let's draw a cute Kuromi cupcake. First, let's draw an oval head, cap, and a little bow. Now for the face, 2 oval eyes, nose, and a cute smile. Now add the icing. Draw a simple zigzag line for the wrapper. Now we're going to draw the basic shape of the cupcake. Pause the video if you need a little more time here. Next, we add Kuromi's heart right on top. And add some sprinkles. Time for the best part, coloring. We need lots of purple and black here. Use your deep purple for the ears and the head. Feel free to use your favorite colors. Make it your own. And that's it. If you enjoyed this, hit the like button and subscribe for more easy art. Let me know in the comments what I should draw next. I'm using this bright lavender marker for the frosting. Your Kuromi cupcake is complete. Thanks for drawing with me, and I'll see you in the next video.